Why is crypto up today? September 8, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. In the near term, Bitcoin's price action is likely to remain range-bound, but the Fed's tone will be the key driver of whether momentum builds into Q4, said James Toledano, Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet. Journalist, Seed Fadilpašić. Journalist, Seed Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. The crypto market is up today, and some 80 of the top 100 coins have appreciated over the past 24 hours. Overall, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has increased by 0.5%, now standing at $3.94 trillion. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $94.3 billion, a lower level than seen over the past few days. TLDR. The crypto market saw a minor increase on Monday. About 80 of the top 100 coins have turned green. 7 of the top 10 coins have appreciated today. BTC is up to $111,425, and ETH is down to $4,290. If the U.S. Federal Reserve delivers a 25 basis point cut, liquidity conditions could improve risk sentiment across crypto. Fed moving too aggressively on rate cuts could trigger recession fears and dampen bullish sentiment. U.S. BTC spot ETFs recorded outflows of $160.18 million, and U.S. ETH ETFs saw outflows of $446.71 million. Businesses across major industries bought 1,755 BTC daily over the past 2 years. Crypto stays within the neutral zone, with caution increasing among investors. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 7 of the top 10 coins per market capitalization have increased over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, appreciated 0.4% at the time of writing, meaning that it's mostly unchanged, currently trading at $111,425. This is the smallest rise on the list. At the same time, Ethereum, ETH, is down 0.3%, meaning that it's also largely unchanged in a day, now trading at $4,290. This is also the only drop in the category, alongside Lido-staked Ether, Steth. On the other hand, the highest increase is Dogecoin, Doge, S7.4% to the price of $0.2335. It's followed by XRP, S2.8%, now changing hands at $2.91. Looking at the top 100 coins, about 2 dozen coins are down, and the rest are up. WorldCoin, WLD, is the category's winner. It's up 23.9% in a day, $1.26. Pudgy Penguins, Pengu, is the only other coin with a double-digit rise. The coin appreciated 11.9%. Now trading at $0.03195. On the other side, there is one coin with a double-digit fall, World Liberty Financial, WLFI, with 12.6% to $0.2093. It's been dropping since its recent launch. Meanwhile, El Salvador has bought 21 BTC to celebrate the nation's 4th anniversary of the Bitcoin law. This latest purchase has brought the country's total to 6,313.18 Bitcoin, valued at over $701 million. Liquidity conditions could improve risk sentiment across crypto. James Toledano, Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet, commented that September can be a weaker month for Bitcoin. Yet, this year feels a little different, as we've seen increases. Optimism around a potential U.S. Federal Reserve rate cut has helped BTC hold ground around the $110,000 level. Conviction remains a little muted until policy clarity arrives, he explains. Elaborating on the potential rate cut, markets are currently pricing in a high probability of at least a 25 basis point cut, Toledano said, and if delivered, liquidity conditions could improve risk sentiment across crypto. In the near term, Bitcoin's price action is likely to remain range-bound, but the Fed's tone will be the key driver of whether momentum builds into Q4, the exec concluded. BitUnix analysts added that in the short term, risk assets benefit from dovish expectations. However, if the Fed moves too aggressively on rate cuts, it could trigger recession fears that dampen bullish sentiment. Meanwhile, Glassnode found that over the past year, the 5/7Y BTC cohorts realized cap fell from $14.9 billion to $8.5 billion. Almost all of this supply simply aged into older bands, highlighting the persistence of long-term holders. They concluded. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Monday morning, BTC trades at $111,425. For the large part of the last 24 hours, the world's #1 coin traded sideways. It then decreased to the intraday low of $110,690 before jumping to the intraday high of $111,795. This is still not far from the week's high of $113,225, while the current price is down 10.1% from the all-time high of $124,128, recorded 25 days ago. Bitcoin has recently been consolidating near $110,800. Falling below this, the price would meet supports at $108,450 and $107,400. Yet, a climb above $113,400 may lead to $115,400 and $117,150. Ethereum is currently trading at $4,290. The trading was relatively choppy over the past day. The lowest point was $4,272, while the highest is the current price. Over the past week, ETH moved from the lowest point of $4,241 to the highest price of $4,482. Should the coin climb above $4,490 and hold that level, it may move towards $4,665 and $4,865. Conversely, a fall below $4,250 could result in the lower levels of $4,070, $3,940, and $3,785. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment hasn't moved significantly over the weekend, and it has stayed in the neutral zone. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index increased from 40 yesterday to 42 today. The caution reigns among investors, as they await additional signals that would point to the direction the market will take in the midterm. Moreover, the US BTC Spot Exchange Traded Funds ETFs recorded $160.18 million in outflows on Friday, the previous day of trading. 3 ETFs saw negative flows, and none recorded inflows. BlackRock, Bitwise and Grayscale noted outflows of $63.21 million, $49.65 million, and $47.33 million, respectively. The US ETH ETFs also saw another day of outflows on September 5th, with $446.71 million. No funds had inflows and 5 had outflows. The highest of these is BlackRock's $309.88 million. Followed by Grayscale's $51.77 million. Meanwhile, Ethereum's on-chain revenue fell sharply in August, even as ETH surged to new all-time highs. According to Token Terminal, Ethereum revenue, driven by token burns that benefit ETH holders, fell 44% month-over-month to $14.1 million, down from $25.6 million in July. In other news, Japanese Metaplanet bought an additional 136 Bitcoin on Monday, for a total price of $15.2 million. The corporate BTC accumulator has seen a BTC yield of 487%, YTD 2025. Per CEO Simon Jarovich, the company holds a total of 20,136 BTC, with a cumulative purchase amount of $2.8 billion. Taking 6th place among the top corporate Bitcoin holders. This said, businesses across major industries have bought 1,755 BTC daily, contributing over $1.3 trillion to Bitcoin's market cap during the last 20 months. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market has increased over the past day, while the stock market saw a mixed picture on its previous day of trading. By the closing time on Friday, the S&P 500 was down by 0.32%, the Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.082%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.48%. This followed the August jobs report on Friday, which boosted expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve will cut interest rates this month. Is this rally sustainable? We've been seeing slight increases and drops for a while now, with the market largely correcting and then consolidating. Analysts expect the market to continue increasing, at least by the end of this year. But for now, it's still uncertain whether we'll see additional corrections in the short term. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for September 6, 2025. The crypto market is up today, and some 80 of the top 100 coins have appreciated over the past 24 hours. Overall, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has increased by 0.5%, now standing at $3.94 trillion. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $94.3 billion, a lower level than seen over the past few days. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 7 of the top 10 coins per market capitalization have increased over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Ethereum and Picoin by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. $700 million whale transfer shocks community. Is Wall Street quietly buying? Crypto price prediction today, September 5th. XRP, Cardano, Shiba Inu XRP price prediction. Why an ETF could spark a Bitcoin-like 60% jump. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Kiyosaki warns of a Great Depression. Will BTC's scarcity drive value? 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Everyone's given up on ADA, which is exactly why it might be about to explode. 2 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Institutional demand and whale accumulation signal a bullish reversal. 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 4 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.